Business plan in Excel. Looking for an effective way to create a business plan? Look no further than Business Plan in Excel. This tool allows you to easily create a professional and comprehensive business plan that will help you achieve your goals. Plan and organize a new business or restructure an existing one with our business plan in Excel. This comprehensive tool will help you structure your project and objectively evaluate all the necessary components for success. We understand the importance of a solid business plan, which is why we have designed this worksheet. With this worksheet, you will be able to plan a new business or restructure an existing one, ensuring that all crucial aspects are considered. Modules included in our business plan in Excel. General Business and Legal Information Registration. This module contains 5 sections to record data about the business or project. Business partners. Areas involved and team data. Register the information of the individuals involved in the project and their key qualifications. Here you can define your business model canvas and evaluate your value curve. Business model canvas. Create your business model canvas. This simplified and easy-to-understand model outlines how the company will create value for the customer. Value curve. Develop your value curve. This tool will help you understand how your idea differentiates from direct or indirect competitors. Strategic plan. In this module, you will be able to carry out strategic planning for your project. Start by defining the mission, vision, and values. Understand the market using Porter's 5 forces. Conduct a SWOT analysis. Define action plans and strategic objectives for your project. Defining these 5 points will help you understand the path of your business plan. Marketing plan. Create your marketing plan, following the guidelines of the 4 PETA seconds: product, price, place, and promotion. You will also attempt to estimate the market size based on your target audience. This Excel makes it easy for you to carry out a marketing analysis that is essential for your business model. Financial planning. In this module, you will be able to define your variable costs, price of your products or services considering direct costs and the expected contribution margin. Make 5-year projections. Define initial investments or other investments. And project your fixed costs. This will help you calculate the return on investment of the project. Automated reports. In this section, you will be able to monitor the progress of the strategic plan. Analyze the established marketing plan. And the most important thing is to analyze the financial indicators of the project, indicators such as NPV, IRR, and return on investment, ROI. With this file, you will be able to have an idea of how to correctly implement your business plan. Dashboard. In this module, you will be able to analyze the financial viability of the project. Consult a summary of financial profitability. Make 5-year projections. Analyze financial scenarios. Check the status of the strategy. And see a marketing financial summary. Our dashboard is an excellent tool for analyzing the viability of your ideal project to present to your investors. Executive summary. With the methodology designed in the business plan in Excel, automatically generate an executive summary of your business plan. This summarized report is ready to be presented to potential partners, investors, and/or stakeholders in the new venture. Each module is carefully designed to guide you through the process of creating a thorough and effective business plan. Start planning your business success today with our business plan in Excel.
Template available at Solis Enterprises. Visit our website, excelprojectsaj.com.